Hello guys, so I'm just going to be showing you first off um, how I was able to do the symbols. You see I have my first face. Oh no, this is actually the second face I made. So it's the second face, and as you see right there, it's right there. It's my second face, and as you see, it's right here. Okay, and this is an Illustrator, as you can see. And then okay, so when it came to the face, I put, because this is my croquis. I just use like a croquis from, just a freshly new croquis. Well, this is actually supposed to be my background. Let me change that. Okay, so this is my, so as you can see, I have my background, regular layer, and then this is the face. And then what I did was I did like a whole different group for the face because there was still some cleaning up and work that needed to be done when I put my face on. So, so as you can see, yeah, so you can see the difference of like basically like the makeup. Yeah, it's basically. So let me close that. So as you can see, I take my face off. Yep. And then I put it back on. There you go. Now, when it came to my hairs, okay, so these were the examples I had. I'm just gonna show y'all. This was, ooh, I don't even know why this is there. Let me delete that. Oh, it's because that layer is showing. Control D. Okay. So this was the first hair I did. And with this one, I don't know, it was kind of like, it was interesting to do. But this was like the first hair I did. And I'm just going to go back and I'm going to show you. And I labeled that as wavy hair. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to undo these things just so you guys could like just see like the process of step by step. So what I did was I did the first part, which was like the top part, and layer 7. And I'm just, as you can see, I'm just adding on because it would be kind of weird if, okay, so add it on. Okay. Okay. And I even, like, as you can see here, I even added on, like, to make that more natural there at the top, like the baby hairs, because you could kind of see the difference. Because it was like white, so I was trying to make that look more natural there. And then once again, I'm just going, I'm just building up. Okay, and that's the wavy hair. Now I'm going to show you the platinum hair. The platinum hair I really liked. So let me just, oh, what did I do? Okay, so with the platinum, I'm just going to show you guys once again the step-by-step process for this. Okay, so with the platinum, once again, you see I'm just adding on. And the reason why my layers are not in order here, because some of them I had to move around, so some pieces of hair can be underneath. So that's just what I'm doing here. Oh, and this is my pepper brush tool that I downloaded. And as you can see, I added the pepper brush tool like at the end so that could be more natural. I even added a little in the hair. So yeah, that's the platinum hair. And I'm just going to show you guys where I got my platinum hair from. So this was I thought this was just the excellent picture of like just hair. So that's where I got mine from. That's the platinum hair. Okay, now I'm going to show you the bangs. And this is my illustration with the bangs. Okay. And as you can see, that one. Now this one, what I'm gonna do is here, because I kind of don't like the way that looks right there. But hold on, I just want to show you guys the step-by-step process for this as well. So as you see, once again, don't go step by step. And I had to move my layers around once again for this, but that's okay. And as you can see, hold on, I even went in with the pepper brush tool, and what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna try and even go in more with the pepper brush tool. And I'm just gonna use watches because I kind of don't like the way that looks there. And okay, see, that looks much better. Yeah, this looks much better. It looks like more like not, photoshopped. But as you can see, it's like blending in here. And I'm adding this to that layer because that was already the layer I was doing the pepper brush tool in, was the last one. But like I said, you could clearly see the difference here. I'm gonna even add some on the top here. Just so it doesn't look like too crazy. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you guys the difference. So this is without. See, it looks fake without, but then when I add, it looks way better. So yeah. So this is my hair, and these are how it came out. And hold on, let me just. I don't know why I have to lock that layer so I don't move it around. See, so I have the wavy hair, the platinum hair, and I can even, matter of fact, let me even add with the platinum as well. Okay, so the platinum, see the last layer, I always try to do like the highlight. Well, let me not say highlight, but the last layer, that's when I try to go in with my my pepper brush tool. Eyedropper, swatches, brush tool, and I'm just gonna go in. See, it just gives it like a whole new look. Makes it look more fuller too. I feel like this tool is like very helpful. Yeah. Yeah, it gives it like a whole different look. Even do some at the root here. And I'm even trying to go in the direction of like this hair that's coming out. So this gives it more like, and I'm gonna even add another layer so I could get this right here and try to do more at the root. So let me go swatches. Brush tool. Let me even, like I said, just try to get it at the root. Yeah. So it's like blending in more. Yeah, I like the way that's coming out. Yeah, this pepper brush tool is really, it's very useful. Like, I really like the way it's doing the roots right now. Okay. And like I said, I did that one in a whole different layer only because I didn't want to mix that in with, because it was a whole different color. So, like I said, as you can clearly see, like I said, oop, I can even have all three, all three of them. But yeah, but yep, this is my hair. Thank you guys.